Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Explore with Moin and Sadia. Today we'll be exploring the Grand Souk in Bur Dubai. Compared to the other shopping places in Dubai, this one is very different because here you will get all the unique, authentic and traditional things. As we have already mentioned in our other vlogs that Dubai has two different sections like Old Dubai and New Dubai. The New Dubai will be followed by the blue line and the Old Dubai will be followed by the red line. I mean, if you have the map of Dubai city, then you will get the Old Dubai in the red line and the blue line will be for the New Dubai. And Grand Souk Bur Dubai is situated in the Old Dubai. Here few other souks are also available like spice souk and other all. We'll be exploring those also, but for today we'll be only focusing on the Grand Souk. As we all know, Dubai is the most expensive city in the world. Here you will get all the branded stuff, but definitely you have to pay a good price for them. But at the same time, if you are looking for something within your budget, especially for your near and dear ones, I mean if you want to buy some souvenir, then Grand Souk would be the best option. Here you will get all the souvenirs which will highlight their lifestyle. I mean the lifestyle of Emirati people, how they used to live earlier and how they are living now. And also you will get to know about a lot of things regarding the United Arab Emirates. Another interesting thing is in Grand Souk Bur Dubai, most of the shopkeepers are from either Pakistan or India. So if you go there, you will get a neighborhood vibe. We got so many things from there, especially the Kashmiri shawl, hijab and souvenir. By the way, remember you must negotiate on everything. For example, if they say something is 50 dirham, then you never know, you might get it on 30 dirham as well if you can negotiate. if you are looking for some good quality bakor or burner, then you can look into this Grand Souk in Dubai, because there are many shops. For example, this one here, you can get all the different and authentic bakor and also the burner, different kinds of burner. In Grand Souk Bur, Dubai, there are some chocolate shops as well, from where you can buy the chocolate in a wholesale price. Like if you want, you can buy half kilo, or if you want, you can buy 1 kilo, 2 kilo, as per your convenience. And they also sell different kinds of nuts. For example, the almonds or cashew nut or pistachio, everything. And also one thing, you will get all variety of dried fruits over there, which are not available in other shops. And if you are looking for some abaya or traditional outfit, then you can go to Grand Souk Bur Dubai. There are a good variety of shops from where you can buy the abaya, and those are very reasonable. Trust me, if you buy it from somewhere else, then they might charge you more compared to the Grand Souk in Bur Dubai. Remember one thing, traveling is always fun if you do your homework properly. I mean, before visiting any new country, make a list of the thing you wanna do, like the places you wanna visit, the activities you wanna do, and then work accordingly. Only then you can enjoy that place properly. So yeah, that's all for today. We are signing off now. We hope you have enjoyed this vlog a lot, like you do our previous vlogs. Till the next vlog, stay happy, stay healthy, and if you are watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Take care, bye bye.